Hello everyone, my name is Kerem, surname is Dalgıç. Today I will explain my term project for microprocessor lesson. My project is Smart Home. Before I start, I would like to briefly give information about my project. This project is a app-based project. You can see Bluetooth module in here. I used Bluetooth serial terminal as app. Also, I used two motor drivers as you see. The purpose of usage the motor drivers is to make the motors turn left and turn right. Another purpose of using motor drivers is to save energy in the system. For save energy, I made pulse width modulation process with motor drivers. I was able to control the engine speeds automatically and manually. So I have prevented the fan engine operating at high speed at low temperature. Finally, let's talk about the sensor part. I used three sensors for this project: temperature, motion, and gas. There is a separate scenario for each sensor. I will try to explain each scenario in detail. Let's start. I designed an encryption system for home entry. The user has the right to enter the wrong password 3 times. Password is 1925, but first let's randomly enter passwords and see what happens. Wrong password. Or last right for 3 password. Okay, the system is blocked for 10 times. The blocklet will be active during this time. Okay, now let's enter our correct passwords. 1925. The outdoor and blinks opens automatically. Also, green LED is active. After a certain period of time, outdoor will close and green LED will be inactive. Yes, now you can see the motor turn against the opening direction and closed. System ready. We can move on. System ready, please wait. We can move on to our phone app. Let's make to our connection. Connected. Our mini screen is loaded. System safe. No problem. Firstly, let's use temperature sensor above 25 degrees. The cooler fan is active automatically. Below 15 degrees, the heater fan is active. Same way, automatically. Between 25 and 15 degrees, we can use manual fan mode. Let's start with manual mode because the current temperature is out of auto mode. Now temperature is 23 degree. According to the menu, we need to press 1 for cooler fan manual modes. Okay, let's choose the high speed to see the speed difference more easily. High speed active, cooler fan is started. The cooler fan started to operate at high speeds. Also, we receive feedback message. We can see it on the app, high speed active. When our cooler fan is running in manual mode, let's lower the temperature and start our heater fan automatically. I will low temperature, almost 5 degree. Yes, heater fan is active automatically. Cooler fan is manual mode, heater fan is automatic mode. Now, as I said at the beginning at my presentation, fan speeds can be changed with PWM process in auto and manual mode. I used one of the motor drivers for this job. In auto mode, the fan speed depends on the temperature. If the temperature rises, heater fan speed increase. If the temperature decreases, the cooler fan speed increase. As the engine speed increase, we can see that RC1 and RC2 pins, which are the PWM pins, are triggered faster. You can see here. In manual mode, the fan speed is determined by the user. It's like a cooler fan. Also, it is possible to see our temperature value on the app. I will open my phone screen. Yes, here. According to the menu, we need to send the capital letter C. I used capital C letter because it remains Celsius in here. As temperature, as it can be seen, the temperature value is equal to on the LCD screen. No problem. Okay, we can continue. Now let's turn on our coffee machine and we will send C letter. Coffee machine on. Now we will receive an information message when our coffee is ready. For this we have to wait a bit. Now inactive in cooler fan and heater fan. Yes, coffee machine is turned off. We can see here we took a message, your coffee is ready. Now we can get our coffee from the kitchen. Okay, now let's try the gas sensor. For this, I will open the all system, room lights, TV and garden bulbs. Okay. I will open my phone screen, room lights on, TV on, and I will open the garden bulbs now. Yes, garden bulbs on. While the gas sensor active, all the working components are closed and the alarm is active, the system does not work even if the user gives a command. Also, a message is sent to the user at the gas sensor and the alarm are active. Yes, we try it now. Yes, gas detected. As you see, all system off and alarm active. A warning message came to our app, gas detected, alarm active. Also, it is possible to view system status from the outside on the LCD panel. Let's try it. You can see here gas detected. Now the sensor inactive. LCD panel will be system safe. Yes, system safe. Now we try the motion sensor. When the sensor is active, the doors and blinds close automatically. The block lights stay on until the doors and blinds are closed. After that, garden bulbs turn on automatically and stay on until the sensor is inactive, same way the other sensors. A message is sent to the user that the motion sensor and the alarm active. Now we run it. Yes, as you see, all the process took place in order. A warning message came to our app, motion detected and alarm active. You can see here. I showed all scenario for our sensors. Finally, let's look at the interrupt scenario. I created an emergency escape scenario for the interrupt. When the RB0 interrupts, here you can see here, when the RB0 interrupt button pressed, the outdoors and blinds open automatically and emergency exit is provided. Also, during the interrupt process, the block light is flashing and the process continue until the block lights turn off. Okay, I will press the button. Sorry. Yes. Outdoor and blinds active. Block light is flashing. Blinds and outdoor open, no flash is started while the block light is flashing. The whole system is inactive. The system does not work even if the user gives a command. Let's try it. 5. As you see, nothing is working. Normally, coffee machine is on, but emergency is active. I will wait. Block light turn off. Yes, block light is open. Outdoor is open now. After that, I can give a comment. Let's try it. Finally, heater fan off, cooler fan off, room lights on. Okay, I have came to end of my presentation. I hope it was a useful video for the viewer. Thank you for watching.